So a very sweet and pleasant afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, you too.
Yes, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah,
Thanks for asking.
I'm doing amazing, and thank you so much for asking as well. So we are meeting, very first time. Okay, so can you introduce yourself briefly?
Yes, why not? I'm Shweta. I'm originally from Jharkhand, currently speaking from West Bengal. I am a freelance Hindi translator and a content creator on YouTube with 1.7K subscribers. And I have a good typing skill, both Hindi and English. And I'm skilled in Microsoft Office application. So that's all
Wow,
about myself.
you are quite, versatile lady. Okay, I salute.
Oh no, everyone has their own quality. So you also have your own quality. We are unique in this world, whole world. We all are
Okay, all
unique.
right. I know. Okay, so let me introduce myself, ma'am, as well. Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
So this is Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar, the district Madhubani. And if I talk about my educational qualification, I did my graduation in 2019, one of the top-notch colleges of Bihar. And currently, I'm running an institution of English language. And if I talk about my family background, I have parents, I have two sisters, and both are got married, and I have elder brothers. In my leisure time, I do, such kind of, the practice, and I love, I love, making the different kind of, videos. So yeah, that's it.
Wow,
So if
great. You, yeah, I'm so surprised because you are from Bihar and your accent is like different. Like, so how you adapt this accent? Because I'm also like from Jharkhand. So Jharkhand was the part of Bihar, and many relatives lives in Bihar. Even my original grandparents' house is in Bihar. Like we belong to Ara, and my sasural family belong to Motihari. So we are just near state, we can say. So I want because Bhojpuri is a prominent language there over there. So how you developed your accent? Like your speaking is quite impressive.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for appreciating, myself, okay, because you found that, okay, my accent is something different. But I don't think that, okay, my accent is too much good. But I try to improve this skill because English is just a language and it can be learned it can be learned easily, no matter you are from Bihar, no matter you are from, Jharkhand, because English is just smart lingua and it can be learned, by sitting anywhere. Yeah. So, but the question of yours, how did you learn this? How did you improve? So I just tell you honestly, I improved this kind of talking skills by listening to the people, because sometimes I watch a television, English television. I listen to those people who is good, extremely good at English language. Yeah. So in this way, I just got this kind of way of talking, and I speak a lot because as I believe that if you want to be a good speaker, then you need to speak more and more, because English is just a language and it comes only by speaking. English comes speaking comes by speaking, and if you want to develop such kind of accent and tone, then definitely you need to practice a lot. So by practicing, okay, I just got, and I'm quite happy when people appreciate, and when people say that Mitlesh, you have a good accent, the way you just talk, okay, so I really like you. Yeah. So I'm really happy. So I think
Okay.
you just got the point.
Yes, yes, definitely. So, as you mentioned that you follow some great speakers. So, can you mention some great speaker which you follow,
Yeah,
whom you
absolutely.
follow?
Yeah, sometimes I watch the videos of Jess Shetty. Do you know Jess Shetty?
Yes, yes, I know. He is
Yeah.
very famous
Sometimes
motivational
I
speaker.
watch the videos of God Gopal Das. Actually, I was telling that I just follow, Jess Shetty, God Gopal Das, and there is a, English Baba, you know. So
Okay.
I just follow them, and there are many teachers, just like, English with Chandan. Do you know him? English with Chandan. He is
Yes, yes,
making videos on YouTube. So I just try
yes,
to,
yes.
just copy that. Yeah. So it's very simple. If you want to, develop your communication, if you have in dedication to learn something, then definitely you can. but you must have a desire to learn. Because nowadays people have desire, people have desire, I have to learn, but they do not want to work. Let's suppose I want to get a job, so I just think, yeah, I have to become IS, I have to become IPS, but they do not want to work. So that is the bad thing. So if you really want to learn this accent, the way I'm just talking, so you need to give your 100%, you need to do work hard. So without doing hard work, nothing you can achieve, because everything takes time, everything everything takes hard working. All
Yes,
right.
yes.
By the way, ma'am, your English is also quite good. So could you please tell me something about your English language journey? Actually, I'm just so happy to know your journey as well, because you are a lady, and being a lady, okay, it's a very challenges to manage the household chores, manage to your child, and however you are just learning this language. Okay, so would you like to make me understand?
Yes, as you shared that if you have will to learn this language, so you can do it. Just because just you are following some motivational speaker. When smartphone came in my hand, then I also started watching.
So
So
please
as
do
you
continue.
want
You
to,
were saying.
yes, as I told you, I being a homemaker, when my kids are grown up, then I thought that being a homemaker, I want to be make myself financially independent. And as you know, when you learn, you can easily earn. So there is a saying: when you learn, you can easily earn. And English is such a vital language. Is very useful in everywhere for your personality development, for your career, for your kids' education, for interacting with people. So in many ways, it's like a versatile language. You, if you want to make online friends, international, if you want to talk with globally, so English is a medium through which you can transform your life. So I
Yeah.
decided to learn this language. And one more thing, it was very challenging. If someone like say that because you are from Hindi medium, you can't speak English. So I want to prove it wrong. That okay, being Hindi medium, one day I can speak also English. So it's just matter of practice, because I haven't devoted much time towards English. That's why I'm unable to speak. But I am definitely sure that if I put my effort and do practice, so English language is not like a barrier for me. I can learn also. Anyone can learn also. And after watching a lot of inspirational people on YouTube, I got
Mhm.
inspiration from them and I started my journey.
Wow, your journey is quite interesting. Okay, and I enjoyed a lot while while you are sharing. Yeah. So all right, ma'am. So would you like to make me understand? Okay, what is the secret of your learning English? Okay, so why you want to learn this language?
Yes, be honest. People say that I want to learn because I want to share, I want to improve. But financial independence is very essential for every person. So I want to become financially independent. Even though by God grace, I'm leading a good life, I'm thankful to God, but I want to earn something. I want to make my identity. So this is my time.
Absolutely,
I can
ma'am.
say
You are
half of the part I have spent towards my family, towards pleasing people, but now this is the time to please myself and to improve myself.
one of the one of the point you have told that, okay, I want to just make my identity. You want to make the your name and fame. So that is the one of the best things. Okay, you do not depend to the others. Okay, definitely you need to be be independent. So that is the must
Yes,
important in your, especially in you. All right. So okay,
yes,
so
yes.
let me know that, ma'am, how is your day so far?
Yeah, it's wonderful. Just after finishing my household chores, I involved in English, whether it's having conversation, editing video, or reading book, or participating in different WhatsApp groups. So in this way, I spend my whole noon, and again in evening like household chores. So afternoon time is the best time for me.
All right. So this is the very first time, okay, when you are just talking to me, or have you ever, watched my videos before, earlier?
Actually, in Skype, after having a chat with you, and you shared your channel link. So then I visited your channel, and your accent is so good, and I impressed by the way you have a conversation with others. So I thought that I must talk with you. So that's why now I'm talking with you.
Okay, so now just you are just talking. Now you are just talking to me. Okay, so after I think 10 and or 8 minutes. Okay, so how do you feel that? Okay, so you something you can learn something from myself or from my side. Do you think that?
Yes, definitely. We learn by sharing, by talking. Like you shared lot of things to me, that how you developed your accent, and you are you got a certificate in very famous college. You told me that you are the brilliant student of your college. So
Yeah.
and that's because of your hard work, your dedication, and you shared some inspirational people name. So we learn, when we share our knowledge, our experiences, we learn. So and in this era, it's a very nice to share each other, learn and grow together.
Wow. Yeah, thank you. And ma'am, actually, you look, pretty much, confident, by, just talking. So, how did you just maintain yourself? Okay, and how do you maintain your body language? Because I just feel that, while just talking, yeah, you just maintain your eye contact, proper eye contact. You use your, just head, okay, just like that. Okay, so how do you just maintain, all the things?
Dear, I was very underconfident and I felt very worthless when I started my journey. But it happens during my YouTube journey, and it's been 2 years I have been creating content, and more than 400 videos I have created on my channel. So I just simple word, it's experience matters a lot. The more you do the things, the more you develop the thing. As you are teaching in your institute. So remember your first day, how you taught, and now transformation happened, and now the way you teach student. So definitely there would be a great difference. I can bet.
Yeah. So, ma'am, actually, I'm sorry to say that. Okay, let me go now because there was a girl. Okay, her name is I don't know. I think Manisha or maybe something. Yeah. So she was giving me time. Okay, at 2:30 p.m. Okay. So I maybe she was waiting for me. Okay. So let me go. Okay. I'm extremely sorry for that.
Okay, okay, no, no, it's
But we will
okay.
connect
It's
very
a
soon. Okay. Maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will connect soon. Okay.
this video, this short video, not short, I guess 10 minutes we talked, so it's enough for our video, for our channel. You can also upload, I can also upload by our own editing. So nothing wrong in it. We can upload the same video. So it's a nice talking with you, dear, and go ahead with another session, and best of luck for your future.
I love to meet you again, ma'am. Okay. And by the way, your smile, is so nice. Your hairstyle is so nice. Okay. So there are many things. Okay. Still, just okay. I will discuss in the next video, next session. Yeah. So thank you so much. Please take care yourself, and your loving family as well. Thank you.
Thank you, same for you. Bye, have a great day.
Bye. See you soon.
See you.